Good evening. This is All India Radio, Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Nagaland government announces Unlock 8 to be effective till December 15. Principal Director of School Education, Shanavas C, says inclusive education of children should start at early age from home. NBSE Chairman Asano Sekhose suggests on conducting baseline survey to meet the challenges of children with special needs. And Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya says Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission will give fillip to healthcare services across the country. As India achieved the milestone of vaccinating 100 crore people against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the people, doctors, nurses and others who make this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners who are yet to fully get vaccinated to get vaccinated at the earliest and also help others to get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075. And state helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news in detail. Following the decline in daily COVID-19 infections in the state, Nagaland government has decided to extend its recent phase of unlocking till December 15. The Unlock 7 phase, currently being enforced, will end on October 30. Minister for Planning and Coordination, Niba Grono, during a press conference held at Kohima today, informed that the decision to continue with the Unlock 8 phase was taken at a review meeting of the High-Powered Committee on COVID-19 hemmed by Chief Minister Nipurio. Grono also informed that decision to open schools for conduct of normal classes for classes 1 to 4 in urban areas will be taken up by the respective district task forces. The government further decided to lift the night curfew. However, the minister requested everyone to get vaccinated. It is crucial. Further, Grono informed that Hornbill Festival will be held this year. However, the duration of the festival is yet to be decided. The minister said fully vaccinated tourists will be allowed to attend the festival. A one-day workshop on inclusive education was organized by the Office of the State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities in collaboration with Bumblebee Inclusive School at Kohima today. Addressing the workshop, Principal Director of School Education, Shanavas C, said, inclusive education, as the word suggests, is a concept that children with special needs are being able to be at par with normal children and receive good education so that they can find their own way. He said inclusive education does not start from schools, but it should come from home, where parents can give the children a confidence to come forward to the mainstream. He said we have to start working with children with special needs from their early childhood so that they don't lack confidence once they grow up. Shanavas further emphasized the need to have accurate data for implementation of various activities for children with disabilities and also underscored the need for convergence of the concerned departments to address the issue. State Disability Commissioner Detono Nakro said one of the biggest challenges that we have with children with disabilities in general is the lack of data. She said in many ways children with disabilities continue to be the uncounted section of society. Nakro said such inequality should not be allowed to continue and urged all stakeholders to come together to make the change happen. Nagaland Board of School Education NBSE Chairman Asano Sekhose said that the state along with the country is gradually coming up in addressing the inclusivity of children with special needs in education sector. Speaking on the topic accommodation for children with special needs in NBSE during a workshop on inclusive education held at Kohima today, Sekhose agreed upon that not much has been done for children with special needs, though a lot more needs to be done. She said creating awareness is the need of the hour as many schools are still ignorant on the issue. Sekhose said all children deserve the right to education, including those with special needs. She informed that the board has been issuing guidelines to registered schools under NBSE to make education accessible for children with special needs by giving admissions and to consider late admission for this year. Sekhose also said that special needs children are accorded with relaxation and exemptions in examination, such as compensatory time of all subjects, permission to use an amanuensis, scribe or reader besides others. She added that it is considering for fee relaxation in the board examination for children with special needs in the coming years. She informed that 12 children with special needs appeared HSLC in 2020, while 13 children in 2021. As for HSSLC, 3 appeared in 2020 and 2 students in 2021. To meet the challenges, the NBSE Chairman suggested for conduct of baseline survey and restructuring the role of the textbooks. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on a YouTube channel, AIR News Kohima. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya today said that the Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission will help in the fight against the pandemic-like situation in future. He said COVID-19 has given an opportunity to improve the health infrastructure in the country, and the government has launched PM Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission with an investment of 64,000 crore rupees. He said for treatment of diseases like cancer and diabetes and check-up at primary level, the government took a decision to set up 1.5 lakh health and wellness centers. Under the PM Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission, an entire ecosystem for services from treatment to critical research will be created in every corner of the country. Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia today virtually flagged off the first direct flight on the Shillong-Dibrugarh route under the Regional Connectivity Scheme, Uday Desh Ka Am Nagrik. Speaking on the occasion, Scindia said, Shillong is one of the highest and wettest places in the world, and the place is important not only for the country but for the entire world. He said in 2014, only 6 airports were operational in the northeast, which has now risen to 15 airports. Scindia added that the centre is further committed to enhancing the interstate and intra-state connectivity of the northeast. Enrollment process for training program under Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana of the National Rural Livelihood Mission, Ministry of Rural Development, has begun in Nagaland. The training program targeting the rural unemployed youths of the state are being given free of cost, including free food and lodging, and is conducted by EBAD Exports Private Limited. Individuals in the age group of 18 to 35 years having the education qualification of minimum 12th class can apply for the training program with required documents such as ST certificate, Aadhaar card, age proof, and others for enrollment. For further details, one may contact these numbers 8974 634108 or 9684 6464 6738. And now to end the news, here are the main points again. Nagaland government announces Unlock 8 to be effective till December 15. Principal Director of School Education Shanavas C says inclusive education of children should start at early age from home. NBSE Chairman Asano Sekhose suggests on conducting baseline survey to meet the challenges of children with special needs. And Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya says Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission will give fillip to healthcare services across the country. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.